I'm Agent X, your guide through the world of intent-based trading. Today, I'll walk you through how to get started, from bridging funds to placing your first trade on PriveX. Now, let's first have a look at how you can add COTI Chain to your wallet. Go to chainlist.org, type COTI in the search bar, and it will filter out. Now click Connect, confirm which wallet you want to use. Then you click the Add button. This will automatically add the RPC details, which is all you need to do to be able to connect to COTI's mainnet. Next, to bridge funds to COTI mainnet, go to usenexus.org. Click Connect Wallet, then select Ethereum and select the wallet of your choice. When you're connected, set the receiving chain to COTI. Then select the token you want to bridge, USDC in this case. Fill in your preferred amount. Make sure to either click the Self button or paste a different recipient address if you want to send the funds to another address. Click Continue and confirm the transaction. Then click Send and confirm the spending cap in your wallet. Now, let's have a look at how you can fund your PriveX wallet to start trading. First, click Connect your wallet. Make sure you are connected to COTI mainnet. Then, you click Create Account, which prompts an onboarding flow where you need to choose an account name. Confirm the account creation, and you are good to go. Before you start trading, you need to fund your trading account. To do this, click the account name in the top right corner. This opens your account funding menu. Click the Deposit button, select the amount or percentage you want to use to fund your account, and click Continue. Confirm the deposit and approve the transaction. That's it. You can now start trading. Let's buy some COTI to show how you open and close a position. In the left top corner, click on the trading pair. In the search bar, enter the ticker of your choice and select it. Next, fill in the amount you want to trade with and choose your preferred leverage. When trading with leverage, make sure the selected collateral amount is above the minimum requirement. So set the amount, select leverage, and make sure to use risk management tools like stop loss and take profit. Set the parameters according to your risk appetite and click Confirm. With everything set, you can go ahead and open the position, double-check the details, click the confirmation button, and approve the transaction confirmation. And that's it. You can now follow the progress of your transaction below the chart. To close the transaction, you click the Close button, double-check the details in the pop-up and confirm the closed transaction. Now, to see your trading stats, go to Account. Here we offer you an extensive dashboard where you can track everything you want to know, from trading results to analytics reports and your trade log. On the points page, you find everything you need to know to keep track of your PriveX points. The points you accumulate will go towards the upcoming PRVX token airdrop, so make sure you stack as many points as you can. The leaderboard shows a detailed overview of how you rank compared to the other traders. Each day, 20,000 PriveX points are up for grabs. The more volume you make compared to the other traders, the more points you score. And last but not least, we have our Referrals dashboard, where you have a great overview of your referrals, their volume, and the amount of points you earned. Make sure to share your referral code far and wide to maximize your points. That's it. I hope everything is clear. If not, you are welcome in our Telegram and Discord channels for any additional information you need. Thank you, and I wish you a lot of fun trading on PriveX.